friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bluey as Granny Janet. So first we're going to get started with her nose. So in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then over towards the left. And then from that point on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Starting back on this line, we're going to continue to stretch this all the way around, curving that up on the side. And now closing that off in the corner, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For the nose in the middle now, we're going to arch this line down and then back up on the right hand side, connecting that towards the top. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in a sideways oval. Now let's move up above and draw in the eyebrows. So coming up on a diagonal, leaving a gap for the eyes, we're going to curve this line out, around, and then back in. And then moving over on the left-hand side, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this up, out, around, and then back in, connecting that in the corner. Now let's draw in our eyes. So moving down below our right eyebrow, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then moving inside of this towards the top corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. And then for the pupil of the eye on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another oval. Now let's leave a gap coming up on the left-hand side above our nose. We're going to draw in a nice big oval, curving this in towards our eyebrow. And then as we move over towards the left of this, we're going to continue to arch this around and then back in on the side. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line out and then down towards the bottom. And then again for the pupil of the eye, we're just going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this around and then back down. And now let's draw in our glasses. So on the top, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down towards the center. And then on the right-hand side, again, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. To the right of this, on the side, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Dropping below that in the corner, again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then one more time from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back around and then up. And then from the side of the nose here, we're just going to curve this line around and then in at the corner, closing that off. Now let's move over on the left-hand side, replicating that. So we're going to arch this line around and then in. From that corner, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. And then one more time, we're just going to arch this line around and then up. And then to close off the bottom of the glasses, we're just going to curve another line that arches in towards the side. Let's close off the rest of the body now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over for where the blanket will be. To the left of this coming up, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the side. And then we'll just continue to extend this line down and in towards the glasses. On the inside, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then to the left of this, we're just going to arch this line around and then down towards the middle. Now let's move down in the center. We're going to curve this line around and then down for where the hand will be under the blanket. And then starting back on this side, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then up underneath the glasses. And then the same thing on the left-hand side, we're just going to curve this up and over. And then starting back on our line here, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. On the right-hand side now where the mouth is, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then stepping beside that again one more time, let's replicate that, curving that out and then in. Coming underneath the glasses on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line over. And then coming underneath the glasses on the left hand side, we're going to draw in another small arch line. In the center now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And now let's frame in the rest of the blanket. So coming down in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly down. On the left hand side, we're going to continue this line behind the glasses, bringing this all the way down towards the bottom, ending this at roughly the same height. And then as we move over on the right hand side, let's replicate that, bringing this line all the way down towards the bottom. And now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left hand side, bringing that in towards the middle. Now as we move up above, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. And then again, arching this over towards the side. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line out. And then flipping over on the left-hand side, curving that out towards the side again. Now let's draw in the left foot. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. Moving over towards the inside, let's replicate that, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. For the right foot now, again, we're going to curve this line down on the inside. And then stepping over, we're going to replicate that one more time. On the bottom, let's curve this line from left to right. For the toes, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle on both sides. And then we'll do the same thing over on our right foot. And that is it. That's how you draw Bluey as Granny Janet. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.